how to remix funk like a pro. If you want the project file for the song, you can find it linked below. So, without wasting time, let's get started. As you already know, funk producers use other famous songs, remix them, and turn them into funk. So in this case, we're going to remix this song. We extracted the vocals, music, and bass. We then give the bass a volume automation effect for the cuts. Let's use FL keys to add a basic piano melody pack. Create more basic melodies using a default choir orchestra sound in FL. For the drums and effects, we'll add the very famous perk, a custom kick, bolhas, risers, impacts, and more.
Pablo.
If you are looking for samples, one-shots, acapellas, and other resources, you can find all of them in our 16GB Brazil Funk sample pack that contains over 20,000 samples. I have linked it below in the description. Add acapellas and vocals to finalize it. If you want to see how everything was put together, mixed and mastered, download the FLP. Join our Discord for free FLPs and giveaways. Subscribe. Let's listen to the final results.
Pablo.
Betas.